Alice here. Blue curls forever. Why do I say a forever plant? Because this annual native plant produces hundreds of seeds per plant and is a prolific reseeder. It's a member of the mint family, so they call it herbaceous. Bloom late summer, right into the fall. So it's a special plant to add to your pollinator or native plant garden or your regular garden so that you have a source of both nectar and pollen for the late flying pollinators, especially the bees. The blue curls have opened. This is an interesting plant, pretty drought tolerant. The name blue curl is because the color's kind of a lavender blue. They close up, so they curl up. It has a lower lip and an upper lip, and it curls shut by noon or early afternoon. It opens early in the morning and is shut by early afternoon. It is bluish in color, kind of a bluish purple, and the bottom lip that is open, it's open kind of like this. The bottom lip has dots on it and some whites, which make it very distinctive. It came up from seeds being scattered. I ended up pulling up several of these plants and sharing them with friends. So I have one in each bed, and given what a prolific reseeder it is, hopefully I will have plenty of blue curls to enjoy in the garden. Their flowers are dainty, and the plant is covered with flowers. Most of the flowers are short-lived, but once they die, they produce lots of seeds that are then scattered throughout the garden. So you can have plants popping up in a variety of places, which makes this a perfect pastelon plant. Here's one of the blue curls that opened this morning. The bottom is spotted. That's characteristic of it. It grows between 1 and 3 feet tall. This one is about 1 foot. It is a prolific bloomer. So the plant can have hundreds of flowers on it over the season. Here are potential blooms that will be buds that will turn into flowers. It can be used along a border. You would space the plants about a foot to up to 3 feet apart. You will need to monitor the number of plants that come up and send them out. It's easy to pull up the little plants when they're growing in midsummer. When you notice them, they have a longish taproot to them. They're easy to repot and give to friends to add to their garden. You will not find this plant at the big box stores and other stores. You may find it at native nurseries in your area. It's propagated by seed. If you contact one of the native plant seed growers, link below, then you'll be able to plant your seeds in the spring, and you'll have plenty of plants for when their bloom time comes in the late summer and fall. The nice thing about this plant is there are no insect and disease problems. It's a great joy to have it in my wildflower garden and to notice that, oh, look, there are the blue curls, because the distinctive colors on the little flowers scattered around the plant make it pop. It also starts to bloom more profusely as the temperatures drop a little bit in the fall. So you can have the plant covered with these beautiful blue blooms much later in the season, which makes it a great addition to the garden. Let's go take a look at the blue curls in my garden. Well, the blue curl has plenty of bloom, lots of flowers open today. They'll be closing around noon or early afternoon. Very dainty looking. Makes a nice specimen plant. You could also do a mass planting with them or a few of them together. The range includes up into zone 7 and down to zone 11. As long as their soil conditions are met, their pH is 6 to 8, which is a wide range from acidic to alkaline. They grow best a pH of about 6.0 to 7.0, but they will grow in more alkaline conditions. Could not resist putting a picture of this wasp as it is enjoying searching out nectar source on the dotted horse nut. The blue curls has a fragrance to it, just a nice color contrast or addition next to the dotted horse nut. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up appreciated. Comment below. Here's some videos you might enjoy watching for more information. Subscribe. Garden Love. See you in the next video.